Poor guy. Beautiful. Returning to Autumn Plains. Nice. Very nice. Well, that is great. That is what we love to see. 100% level completion here. Zephyr. Alright, kids. I'm going to take a little break here. But we will come right back. So, alright. Hello. Welcome. Welcome. Let's continue our adventures of Spyro 2 Ripto's Rage. And we're going to head right on to Zephyr. Let's see what we can find here. Entering Zephyr. Now this was the portal. Oh boy. Ooh. So this is the world we had to pay money bags to open for us.
Okay, Spyro. Looks like we got us a bit of a situation here. The breeze builders have got us pinned down, and we've been waiting for a volunteer to blow up their munitions building. Looks like you're it.
Alright. Just make sure I'm not missing anything. Boop. Boop. Oh. Whoa, those are curving bullets. Oh my goodness. Holy cow, those bullets curve. Oh, I just killed a caterpillar, baby. Oh. Ow. Ugh. Oh. Alright. Oy vey, that was ridiculous. Okay, so that was weird. He just dropped. Oh, what the? Okay, great. If I'm just patient, they'll drop down to my level. Okay, I am rushing this way too fast. But I'm also making very fast progress, which I can't necessarily say no to either. Yeah, nice. Sorry, little caterpillar. I need to get my strength back up.
Dang cannon just ain't working for me. Do you think you can blast that bird, soldier?
Jump on in here and give it a try. First shot, baby. Oh, up a little. Nice. Oh wait, I probably should not shoot their homes. Beautiful. Just gonna shoot everything and break everything. You know what I mean? Nice. Alright. Let's see. All these gems. Yeah, over here. No wait, nothing over here. The bullets could not reach this far. But there was a gem I missed. Oh, another one. Where are you telling me to go, Sparks? Okay, that's all the way at the other end of the level, I think. So we should be good over here. Yeah, I'm just gonna be very thorough and check. Ha! You missed, bird. Ooh! Haha! Nothing there. Ooh! Let's see you. Boop! Oops! There we go. Making our way up. Boom! Oh! Ha! You missed, sucker! Alright. Nice. Blow that up. Blow that up. There we go. No? What about that? Boom! Haha! Got him, baby. Oh! Come here, come closer. Okay. Looks like that is not gonna be happening. Nice. Ooh! Ooh! Yeah! Stop spitting out barrels, you nasty. Nice rainbow. Oh, nice. Just shooting wildly at this bird here. One of these has got a hit, right? Arrgh. Wow. Oh. It's probably not reaching. Oh, we blew up the munitions. That's nice. Oh, wait, that probably means I can just walk up to the bird and... Ah! Okay, so this is gonna be the end of the level. But we're not done yet because we need to go down below. Come here. Come on, you. There we go. Let's get the talisman.
Wow! What an explosion! It sure is a good thing I had my helmet on. Oh yeah, the Colonel wanted me to give this talisman to you if you got through the breeze builder defenses. Good job, soldier.
You're welcome, and thank you for the bomb. Okay. Now, we're not done here. We need to...
What light from yonder window breaks?
Forgot.
That window up there, dummy. The professor said he was working on a way to help me get back with Juliet, but I haven't seen him in a long time.
Find the professor. Ooh. Oh, excuse me. Alright, this is a big level. This is why I was running through it so aimlessly. It's so big. I don't know who's throwing what, but will you chill? Boop, boop. Alright. I know I gotta get these little guys out of here. And the way to do that is by hitting them. Boom. Nice. There we go. You go up there. You go up there. Oh! There we go. Nice. Oh! Made it. Okay. Oh, 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 a seed. Okay, let me get these guys securely. Let me get these guys through here first. There you go. You won't be coming out of there. And then I need to go over here. Ah! How in the world do I get up there? Oh! Come up here first. That would do it. Oh, the professor! Hey! I found you!
Spyro, my boy, I've got a magic bean, seed for you in here somewhere. Ah, here it is. Why don't you plant it in the ground and see what grows?
Alright. Ow. Alright, so I gotta get this one first. Ow. Okay. So yeah, so I gotta get this one first. Yeah. Yeah, this one first. Beautiful. And there's anything over here, right? Not one that I'm missing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So up here. Yeah. So we need to get to that one. So we need that there. This one. This one into the small spot. Ooh, ooh. Ow. Nice. Perfect. Then this will let us get to the big one right there. Perfect. And then oh, I can probably use, yeah, up here I can start using them. Yeah, okay, so now I need to, now I need to move all of these over to the other side. Do, 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 do. Up and up. Where's another planty spot? What? Wait. What? I'm confused. I am very confused. What? Wait. Oh, right there, right there. Okay. Grab you. Okay, that's another big one. No. How? Oh! I know what I need to do. Okay, I'm a fool. I'm a fool. I'm a fool. I know what I need to do. I'm a fool. I was getting too far ahead of myself. This one needs to come down. Yeah. Okay, I'm a fool. This one there. Beautiful. Ooh, nice shot. Nice. Okay. Then this can get up here. This can go over. I'm a this now. I can go over here.
Well done, my boy. Here are 2 more seeds to get you the rest of the way. Oh, and take this with you if you don't mind. It's been cluttering up my pocket.
Okay. Beautiful. Yep. Okay, alright. So I gotta think this one through. I can't do that one yet. I need to do... Why'd you give me 2 seeds? Oh! Here we go. I bet this one goes up there. No. What? Huh. But how... Oh, duh. Wait, spit that there. I'm silly. There we go. Just move them both with you. You can do that. Nice. Ah. Yeah, there we go. Oh, there we go. Wow. Okay. I know what I'm doing. Okay, I can hear you all saying in the comments, Michael, how could you do this to us? And I'll be like, easy. 'Cause I'm me. Alright. There we go. Oops. Come on. There we go. Oh.
Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo? Oh, there's Romeo. You can have this. I don't need it anymore.
Okay. Fine. There we go. Fly on down to your boyfriend. Oh, adorable. Thanks for the wave, Spark. Okay, that should be everything there.
How I've missed my Romeo. If he wasn't so short, we'd get married.
Ouch.
You've reunited me with Juliet. Oh, now we can take our honeymoon in Idle Springs.
Hey, very nice. Okay, well, I think that's everything over here. Right? That should be everything. Alright. Yeah, 2 more left, and that guy's got 2 of them. Oh my goodness. There you go. Let's see, don't need that. Heading up here now. Uh-oh. That looks like I missed one. Oh! Yeah, that looks like I missed one. Ugh. What? Where? Right there! Oh my goodness, there were several gems. My goodness. Ah.
My name is Little Bo Peep, and I've lost my cowlicks. With these battles going on all of the time, they keep running away. Can you help me get them back into my...
Yes, I can. Let's see. You, sir. There we go. 1. Oh. 2, 3. Boop. 4. Beautiful, beautiful. No. No. Bad cowlick. Get out of here. There we go.
Thanks, Spyro. Here's a little something for, you know, the effort.
Alright, but you had 2 orbs.
There are 2 more cowlicks out there somewhere, but I haven't seen...
Gotcha. They're up here. Oh, yep. Okay. Yeah, they're gonna be up here. Yeah. Ow. Ow. Nice. Let's see, let's come up here. Just double check this. Oh, yep, more question mark stuff. Okay. Great. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. How in the world? What? How does one do this challenge? How does one do this, I wonder? Do I need spicy breath to do this? Whoa! Oh, that's so cool. Hurry! Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Alright. This will get me back up here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. No. Beautiful. Oh.
Well, I am impressed. You got all 7 cowlicks for me. Here's a fair reward.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, so we should have all the orbs. Now we just gotta go find the jar so we can... Nice. So we can, get all the gems. So, that's the wrong direction. Right there. And last one's gonna be right at the beginning, yep. Is there a worm right here? Boom. Help, please! Beautiful! What? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I missed one. I bet you it's gonna be one. I forgot to check while going through the level. That's on me. Yep, it's gonna be right back here. Ugh, that sucks. I was just here. What? Is there another one hiding in the grass up here? Why? Ah! Why me? Let me see. Is there a skill point here? Gulp. Scorch? No. Nothing in Zephyr. Okay, great. That's ridiculous. Okay. So let's make our way back up and out of here. Whee! Oh, good heavens. This was an ordeal. What are we at? Hour and a half recording time. Made it, baby! Made it! Okay, just double checking. Yeah. Great. Wow! Holy cow. Ooh. Spicy.